हमारी जो जर्नी है स्टार्ट हुई थी आपके साथ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स बीन अ वंडरफुल जर्नी एंड अ बिग आई ओपनर. I had shortlisted for myself कि इस साल मतलब before March I want to convert 5 rocket customers of mine that I had shortlisted. These are all big companies which can give us continuous perpetual running business year on year. So my objective there was to meet their top management and understand their pain points, explain our benefits to them. I think for me, the biggest takeaway from this program has been the pitch that I have been able to create to pitch to them. Out of 5 customers that I had shortlisted or targeted for myself, मतलब मैंने एंटिसिपेट किया था कि इस साल वो हमारे को कुछ about 20 crores का बिजनेस दे सकते हैं consolidated 500.
Wow.
Out of that we have already converted 3.
Wonderful.
और कुछ 8.5 crores का बिजनेस हम उनसे ऑलरेडी पिछले 3 महीने में ले चुके हैं. बैलेंस 2 की भी अब बातचीत चल रही है. वी आर इन एडवांस स्टेजेस. वी हैव मेट देम. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात है, पहले तो वो मिलते ही नहीं थे. मतलब मीटिंग अ मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ अ कंपनी व्हिच इज अ बिग humongous company or the vice president or the president used to be a challenge. But अब हमारी टीम ने भी जब नंबर्स हमारे देखे तो एक लेवल ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस ही हमारा सब मतलब द होल बॉडी लैंग्वेज ऑफ एवरीबडी इन द सेल्स हैज चेंज्ड. पिछले साल से हमने अपने प्राइसेस 15-20% बढ़ाई दिए. But still we are able to get good. So thank you so much for that. Yesterday evening only I was talking to somebody from our Aurangabad office and he was telling me कि sir option ही नहीं है customer के पास कोई और. मतलब we are competing against a multinational company which is I think 14 billion dollars, big humongous company. कहते sir they don't stand competition against us. And I was like यार ज़्यादा confident मत हो. कहते नहीं sir, we've had meeting with the president there. We've had meeting with the consultants of that plant. They don't stand the competition. So that is one biggest mind shift change that has come into everybody in the team. मतलब marketing पे stab and twist की science is working beautifully for us.